Alright,
Okay,
it's recording.
we're ready to go?
Yep.
Okay, to begin with, you can just do one cut off with it. Make sure that you're not using the curved tool. Make sure that you're using the straight tool. And here we're lining up the cut edge on this forward. I usually like to angle it on the table so that this can lay down in a relaxed form. Line it up on the red line, come down, snip it off. Come in, snip it off. I think we probably do need to do about 4 of them here. Just kind of come through, don't slam it down hard, just kind of keep an eye on if it trails one way or another, because if it does start doing that one way or another, you can always just push it a little bit in or pull it a little bit out to make sure that you're counteracting if it's a little bit crooked on you there. So we got 4, this should be enough for what we need to do. Now remember how this tool comes in here, that this last screw on the bottom is the one that feeds into there. It feeds in at all these contact points and it feeds in tight all the way in there, okay? So this is our other tool, goes in like so. Here's our last deepest screw that pushes up against that. Okay, get it set into position. We got our cut edge, this time it's facing towards us. Push it up and get it flush into there. And then we just drop the straight blade straight down in it again. When I do these, make sure that you're cutting the correct amount when you get everything finished, that you don't have extra pieces of this laying around. It's always good just to match out how many you need for what you need to do. Make sure you're always cleaning out the crud, or you can just take a piece and then just kind of slide it over there into the hollow area. Let a few of them build up and then you can clean the rest of them off later. Since you're only doing 4, we're done now, okay? This tool here would be used for cutting off the length. You can drive it backwards and then that'll pull it off for you. When we cut this down here, you'll be using this tool for it. When you get it positioned how you want it to be, then you just drive it the rest of the way down, make sure that it's home down solid. So we have the curve going this way. This is where you're going to be managing the cut for the disc that's going to be holding on to the Mini on the top. So you'll cut one end here and then you'll be cutting the other end there. So I don't have a fixture for that, and that's just based upon measuring it out and then making sure you have the right amount for it. So this one is for cutting the top Mini so that you have that curvature to match the inside of the disc. Okay, we can cut.